A highly intelligent woman is not loud about her wisdom. She does not chase approval. She governs herself. Here are the 6 qualities of a highly intelligent woman. 1. She controls her emotions. Her intelligence begins with self-mastery. She feels deeply, but she does not let emotions dictate her decisions. She pauses, she reflects, she responds with reason. 2. She chooses silence over pointless argument. She understands that not every opinion deserves her energy. She does not argue to win. She speaks only when truth or virtue requires it. Silence for her is not weakness. It is discipline. 3. She is independent in thought. She does not blindly follow trends, crowds, or social pressure. Her beliefs are examined, not inherited. She stands firm, even when standing alone is uncomfortable. 4. She accepts reality without complaining. She does not ask, "Why me?" She asks, "What must be done?" Instead of resisting reality, she works with it calmly and effectively. 5. She values character over validation. Praise does not inflate her ego. Criticism does not destroy her peace. Her self-worth comes from living according to her values, not public approval. 6. She improves quietly and consistently. She does not announce her growth. She practices discipline in private, learning, refining, strengthening herself daily. Progress, not attention, is her goal. And here comes the most important part. A highly intelligent woman does not seek control over others. She seeks command over herself. And in Stoic philosophy, that is the highest form of power.